All right, now we're on to parent functions and transformations. Make sure you go back to those flashcards or to the first page of your exit exam packet so that you can study those parent functions. You are going to be asked to do those on that short no calculator section. Another place that you're going to be asked for transformations, or another way, is just to identifying your rules. So number 9 here, we have lots of transformation rules going on here. So here our parent function is x cubed. And of course x cubed looks approximately like this. You can always do an input-output table with our parent functions if you need to. Just think 1 cubed, 2 cubed, 3 cubed, to kind of get that pattern going. All right, so negative on the outside, reflection over x-axis. Four on the outside is a vertical stretch by 4. And let's stay on the outside of the function and go back here to this -2, down 2. So everything on the outside of the function, I think about it as vertical changes that affect the y value. Now we'll go inside, and these are going to affect our x value. So the 2 on the inside is a horizontal, and it's going to be a compression. Because remember, whenever we're working on the inside, it kind of works opposite of what we expect. So the 2 actually becomes a 1/2 horizontal compression by 1/2. And your -3 here is right 3. I think it's almost harder to do a multiple choice problem with a problem like that than it is to work a problem like that the way I just did and write down the transformation. So a good tactic there, a couple of different ways you can do it. One, you can write out the transformations to make sure they match what you're looking at on the multiple choice test. The other way you could tackle that is to just kind of check off the transformations that are correct as you're going through the multiple choice test, kind of like reflect over x, yep, and if it said reflect over y, cross it out and go on to the next option. I think that's kind of a good way to tackle that, because it takes some pretty good specific reading there to make sure that you get that right.